These are 4 money mistakes that are silently making you poorer. First is buying cheap products to save money. You buy $30 shoes instead of $100 ones, thinking you saved $70. But those wear out in 6 months, so you buy another pair. Over 5 years, you spend $300, while the $100 pair would have lasted the whole time. Cheap work shoes hurt your feet by noon. Gym shoes fall apart after 20 workouts. You're constantly replacing things instead of buying quality ones. Next is not tracking small daily expenses. You spend $5 on coffee, $12 on lunch, and $8 on snacks, thinking it's nothing. But that's $25 daily, or $750 monthly. Over a year, that's $9,000 gone without you noticing. Morning Starbucks, lunch delivery, afternoon snacks, dinner, because you're too tired to cook. Small purchases adding up to a car payment every month. But even worse is keeping money in regular savings. You have $10,000 in the bank earning 0.5%, thinking it's safe. Inflation runs at 3% yearly, so you're losing $250 in buying power every year. In 10 years, your money loses 25% of its value. The balance stays the same, but everything gets more expensive. Your wealth is shrinking while the number looks stable. Finally is paying only minimums on credit cards. You owe $5,000 and pay the $150 minimum thinking you're being sensible. At 18% interest, it takes 7 years and costs $7,800 total. You paid almost double. Each month, $75 goes to interest, only $75 to the debt. 7 years of payments means you paid twice, while the bank made $2,800 off you. These 4 mistakes cost you over $14,000 yearly, while you thought you were being careful with money.